Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G84 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. You could activate a turn off don't disturb mode to flip, use flip for D&D mode option and to pick up to silence. We got here volume panels, the media, call, ring, notification and alarm volume panels. So that just to change the volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panel. We could activate or turn off the multi-volume option to change phone ringtone, for scene 1, scene 2 to change default notification and alarm sounds, to activate or turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, touch sounds and power on sounds. Also, we could activate or turn off the vibration and haptics option and to change each of the settings with the help of these switchers. Let's go back. We could turn on also or turn off the icon in vibration mode, to turn on or turn off the charging sounds in vibration, to use the Dolby Atmos special sound, the crystal toggle switcher, and in media section we could pin media player and show media recommendations, to change media controls option and to activate or turn off the live captions. So that's it. That's how to change sound settings and how to find them on your Motorola device. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.